Hi folks, this is Tim Garman for SIT on NZDP101, once again talking about layers, and this is really an addition to the other layers video I've done. I couldn't squeeze it all into 5 minutes, and I just wanted to deal with the icons at the bottom of the layers palette. And in order to demonstrate these, I've created two layers. One has the image on it, and then I've created a panel which is actually filling up the whole screen. So if I switch off the image, you'll see we've got a layer full of the blue. Now looking at the bottom, if we've got the image selected, we've got a couple of icons here. One is the layer mask icon and the other is the adjustment layer icon. Let's have a look at layer masks. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select an area of this image using the quick selection tool. I'm just going to run it over the foreground of this image and try and get all the waves and a bit of the background hills. There we go. Now that's only going to be a rough selection. We could improve on that a lot more, but just to demonstrate how masks work, if I come down and hit the mask icon, you'll see the sky disappears. And if we look now at the layer with the image on it, we see that a mask has been added. We've got the thumbnail of the image and we've got a thumbnail of the mask. Now the mask just works in black and white. So it adds a black area which masks out the sky, and it leaves the bottom part visible. So think of black as masking out, or black conceals, white reveals. That's the way to remember masks. If I hold the control key down, we can disable the mask and we see that the sky is actually still there. And we can see the sky is still there on the thumbnail anyway. So let's do one other thing. Let's try an adjustment layer. So we come down to the adjustment layer icon and we've got a bunch of options. Let's choose the black and white adjustment layer. Now you'll see now that our image has gone black and white. But if we look at the layer with the image on, we see it's still in color. The thumbnail is still in color. And the filter that is creating the black and white effect is on a separate layer. So we could turn that off and we're still in color. So the key here is that we haven't affected our image in any way, or we haven't destroyed our image in any way. This is a way of working non-destructively. Let's delete the layer mask so we can see the black and white image now working. And if we come up to the actual filter, we'll see that if we increase the reds, the areas that would have been red in the image are affected. There's probably quite a lot of greens and blues. So we can adjust individual tones and shades of our black and white image without actually affecting the original.